Hi there and welcome to the latest forecast for Scotland from the Met Office. Through the week we've had Arctic air across Scotland, frequent snow showers in some places, certainly a lot of snow for the likes of Orkney where there continues to be some disruption, and there's the risk of further disruptive snow to come during the next 24 to 48 hours as the Atlantic weather tries to return from the southwest. Now, we've been watching this initial weather front move north through Thursday, and as it's mixed with the Arctic air, it has turned to sleet and snow across many parts of North Wales, northern England, into southern Scotland as well as Northern Ireland, and it will continue to progress north through Thursday night, but it becomes an increasingly messy picture as the Atlantic milder air mixes in. So some snow to lower levels initially during Thursday night, but actually increasingly it will be above 200-300 metres for southern Scotland, where we'll see the most significant accumulations, risk of 5 to 8 centimetres in places. And then the snow showers continue across the north and the east of Scotland, increasing in frequency as the night goes on and as this band of precipitation moves north. A strong easterly wind, of course, is going to make it feel cold overnight, and it will lead to frequent snow showers, as I mentioned, but actually it will help to avoid a widespread frost because it will stir the air up enough. But where we get some shelter from that breeze in the west, for example, there will be a frosty start on Friday, and certainly temperatures not far from zero, and so more wintry weather to come first thing. Rain and hill snow in the south, but perhaps some snow to lower levels first thing on Friday into eastern Scotland. Now, increasingly, as that milder air mixes in, we're going to see rain predominantly around the east coast and at lower levels, but some significant snow building up over the Grampians, for example, and above, say, 300 metres, there's the risk of 10 to 20 centimetres of snow building up across higher parts of eastern Scotland, and we'll continue to see further centimetres of snow accumulating in the far north. A snow shadow, meanwhile, for western Scotland, some clear spells and mostly dry here, but feeling cold in the gusty easterly breeze, mostly turning back to rain by the end of Friday afternoon into the south and southeast of Scotland. 4 or 5 or even 7 Celsius in the south, closer to freezing, where we've got the rain, sleet and hill snow further north and northeast. And that will continue on Friday night. The snow warning and ice warning is in force until the end of the night, and we're going to see that snow continuing to build up over higher parts of eastern and northern Scotland, with mostly rain or sleet at lower levels and near the coast. Some heavy rain there for the southeast, but again, mostly dry conditions with some good shelter around western parts of Scotland overnight. And we start off Saturday on a similar theme, further spells of rain, sleet and hill snow pushing north, but as you can see, increasingly these bands are turning blue across northern Scotland as they push north and as that milder air mixes in. And so by the end of Saturday afternoon, most places will be seeing rain and some thaw of the lying snow at lower levels, and temperatures back to around average for much of central and southern Scotland by Saturday afternoon, 6 to 8 Celsius. Some drier interludes, but also a lot of cloud cover and a few more patches of rain coming through. But the most persistent rain and some hill snow will be across the north of Scotland, where it stays cold. Lerwick there, 3 Celsius on Saturday afternoon. So a slow transition back to milder weather through the weekend and the next couple of days, but there will be some snow hazards to think about in the near future.